Hello everyone, my name is Putuangan Budi Pratama. Now I will introduce my mother. She's named Iwayane Budiastrini. She's now 35 years old. She's job elementary school education teacher in the Sumber Kime Singaraja. She's from Singaraja exactly in Banyuasri. My mother very responsible about my family and very friendly. In free time, my family always together with my mom doing hobbies like cooking and gym. My mother very like cooking and gym. When the holiday, my mother always go to beach for refreshing because my mother very like beach and sunrise. Thank you for listening.